Hey everybody! So we've been talking a lot on the channel recently about monetization and how we finally monetize. So kind of talk to some of the subscribers who try to monetize and kind of how to do it and what to expect and kind of give like a realistic expectation. So like everybody knows you need the 1,000 subscribers and then 4,000 watch hours. And like some people have asked me like, hey, how did I get 1,000 subscribers? And like how long did it take to get the 4,000 watch hours, which is probably the harder part for us. So the big thing I think for us, like how we got subscribers, is we first started with uploading videos, and we kind of always been doing video game videos. And we did Minecraft, and that didn't get a huge amount, but it was fun, and that's like probably the key, is find something you enjoy doing, because it could take you a really long time, and you don't want it to be like a grind. You want to enjoy yourself. But to really like start building our audience and getting like the loyal viewers who keep coming back, we started to do live streams. And my son really likes Roblox, so we started doing a lot of Roblox live stream, and I really enjoy doing that with him. So that's really how we started like to boost a lot of the viewers, and then with obviously more viewers came more watch hours. And so when you do a live stream, it doesn't immediately tell you how many like watch hours you get, or at least it didn't. And they don't process immediately, so you just gotta be patient because it'll tell you in like 1 or 2 days. But so I'm at like the analytics page in my YouTube channel here, and you can. All right, so I got the right metrics here, so you can see like when we started off, like it was really slow. Like we'd go a long time without getting kind of like hours and stuff. You kind of see like some of these big peaks is like when we started to do like live streams, but most of the peaks are, you know, days that we did live streams and stuff. So that's kind of like how we got most of our watch hours, and then we still produce videos, which really help with generating, you know, watch hours over the long term, and you know, keeping your audience engaged and stuff. So you can go through the metrics and kind of like check out like your traffic sources, like how people see it. And for us, mainly it's returning subscribers. You can kind of compare all that, but like going back to it, like you got to be used to like be in it for the long haul. Is kind of what I'm trying to say here, because you can see even now as we've gotten a little bit bigger and have almost 1,200 subscribers, we do like a lot of peaks for like watch hours, and it'll drop down, you know, just a couple hours a day or whatever. And since we've kind of established ourselves for live streaming, there's a bunch of peaks. And then another thing that you gotta like be ready to stick with it and kind of be a little frustrating is you're gonna come across like you do like a live stream and you get like a bunch of subscribers, you get a raid and you get like a big boost and you like celebrate that, but then you know your days you're gonna lose 3 or 4, you know, over the time we've lost, you know, 5 or 6 subscribers in one day, and you just can't take that personally. Like you just be like, all right, cool, I'm just gonna keep going. So once you've done all that and you kind of established your audience and you've made your videos and you're doing your live streams, for us it took about a year to finally monetize. And like my recommendations for monetizing is before you get that 1,000 subscribers and when you're coming close to those 4,000 watch hours, go ahead and like put in for your AdSense account. So that's like the Google AdSense. That's kind of who puts the ads on your channel and who will be the one that's going to pay you. So for us, like once we applied, we were lucky. It only took a couple days, but you know, I heard it can take a lot longer. And then along with that, like you got to make sure like your videos aren't violating like YouTube's content policy, like you're meeting all their requirements. And then once you get your AdSense account, then you can apply for the YouTube partnership program. And while I was researching that, I came across people who said it took them like a couple weeks or a month. I think we got pretty lucky because we have pretty like family friendly, you know, non-political, no swearing, none of that. So we got super lucky and we monetized within like a day or two, which was really cool. And then once you monetize, like a little bit later, you can, you know, set up different types of monetization, sign up for like super chat. So we signed up for super chat, of course. We've had one so far. It was like a cool $2 donation because we really appreciate everything. The big thing we signed up for was like monetization. So once once you monetize your channel, like it doesn't automatically monetize everything. You have to go through on your video. So like you can do like the basic on off, but no, excuse me, you click on the monetization button, and this is like where you can put like the ads in your video, and depending on how long it is, like it has to be over a certain amount of time to put like mid credit roll or mid video rolls. So I mean, these are all up to you. Like for us, I don't want any non-skippable ads. Like if the people watching it don't like enjoy the ad, I don't want to force them to. Like I really have a loyal audience, and I don't want to like ostracize anybody. So I just said, hey, like whatever we do, probably not going to put non-skippables. I'm sure I misclicked once, but I generally do after video. Like no big deal. Like you can just close it afterwards. It's your choice. And then so I do like the before, and then I just like, okay, cool with the other things. It's not like intrusive or anything. So been monetized for about like 2 weeks now. And like everyone, I know some people are like, hey, you know, how much money are you making? And so like you don't really check your AdSense because they don't like tell you that is easy. Like most of the analytics are through like the YouTube browser. So if you look here, I'm gonna go like see more, so you can kind of like do branches off. But it kind of tell you like how much you're making per all your videos. And so as you can see, like our highest grossing video is like 91 cents, which is pretty cool, and like it stacks, right? So like you're not gonna make, depending on how many people you get to your channel, like you're gonna make obviously different amounts of money per video. But like on average for like most of the videos we posted since we monetized, you can see it's like 30 cents, 40 cents, 50, 83, and right now the max is 91 cents. So 2 weeks in, and we're at like $8.44, and then that's not including like the super chat we got that hasn't processed or posted yet. But so like take it as you will. So you know, I think we're kind of like a smaller, we don't have like necessarily like the huge amount of foot traffic, so we make about $4 a week, which is cool. I mean, we didn't ever really expected to make money on it, but you can see like the video that made almost $1 has 212 views. So take that as you will. Like obviously it's going to keep growing and stuff. So the live streams make money. I think most of your money from live streams is probably going to come from super chats and donations. So like keep that in mind. So like I said, we're like a 1,200 person channel. Most of these videos are averaging right around 100. I think if you took like added them all together and divided them by X many videos, I think you're averaging like 100 views. So I think that gives you a pretty like close approximation of like what to expect if you're a small, like really small like YouTube channel like us, like what you're gonna be making. So if you're looking at doing it, I wouldn't quit your day job. There's definitely potential, like depending on how popular you get to build, but it's kind of what you're looking at. So I would recommend, like if you're building up and you're trying to monetize and you want to like be able to have people support you, like and try to make some income, like OBS Studios, you can get like donations through PayPal with them, which is really cool. We've had some. You can make some cool like merchandise with Teespring and try to sell it. We haven't sold anything on there, but it's not like we lost money. It's free to make it. So that's kind of like the basics of it, and then I'll go through like everybody watching our live stream. We have a dual capture of 2 screens and stuff, and we use OBS or Streamlabs OBS for that. So I'll post a video kind of showing how we use Streamlabs OBS and like set up the filters and the microphones and all that if anybody's interested. But yeah, that's basically what it is. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a good one. Bye.